Alright, so here's what it's like to be a Veeam intern for a day. First things first, gotta have my coffee in the hashtag Veamazing cup. Quickly get ready to leave the house. I'm putting the smart back into smart casual. Head down the stairs and off to the train station we go to the office. Get myself into the elevator and then straight up into the office. Today was actually quite a busy day, so this is going to be a fun one. Say hi to everyone quickly and watch them pretend to do some work before my first meeting of the day. Grab myself a quick croissant before our next meeting, a little snack. Then all us interns had a careers chat with Anto, Ryan and Therese, which was super insightful. Got to hear all about their stories. At this point it was about lunchtime, so I decided to go for an exploration walk to a park nearby. But you'll see Katie isn't too happy that I sent us the wrong way. Get to the park and it was actually a really nice spot. Right on the water, get to watch the boats go past. Might have to start coming here more often. So after lunch we decided to qualify some leads in the office, and essentially what that means is we'd call potential customers, have a discussion with them and see if they'd like to purchase Veeam as a product. And that's me for the day. Head home, get on the train, and that's a day in the life of a Veeam intern.